The Mississippi's Innovating Kayaker is sponsored by Loon MD, the creator of the Mama Bear Health app, available on both the Apple and Google Play stores. It's March 3rd, and I'm starting to get my kayak ready for the season. I'm so excited to get back on at Lake City and head down to St. Louis this summer. We decided to make it easier to get my rear view mirror and also my GoPro on and off my kayak. And my husband came up with a great idea, which was to use a catch cover from his ice house. So it was just some leftover stuff. We attached it by taking the screw up through the bottom and putting the nut on from the top. And that was so that I didn't scratch my leg as I got in and out of the kayak. It's terrific. It's got this quick disconnect, and you can switch out the GoPro with the rear view mirror. I can put two rear view mirrors on. It doesn't matter. It's super easy to use, and I am very excited to get out and see how it works. I like the snake because it's adjustable, and I guess that's it. I'm excited to get started this season.